Alright guys, another tool review. Today I got something that I thought it was really cool to have, and I think I changed my mind. I'll tell you why I changed my mind about it later. But yeah, here it is. It's 10-piece half-inch drive, color-coded deep wall socket set, right? As well as a 1/4 inch, same thing, right? So why did I buy it? I bought it purely because I thought it looks cool, you know. Because I don't think anybody will remember what color what socket is. It just, that's at least I'm not going to. But once you take these off, these are not bad quality sockets. I have a 17 millimeter right here. Let me see if I can take it off. 17, 18, right here. This is a Duralast from the AutoZone, right? 17 millimeter. This is a Harbor Freight. The lengthwise and the size is pretty much the same. It's no different. But what is the difference? Why I bought it? Well, only because of the colors. That's the only reason why I bought it, because of the colors. And then like I said, I already had this set from the Duralast, and I changed my mind because these colors don't stay that long. Like, I used this set already, and you can see this 8 millimeter right here. It's just losing color so fast, and I don't think I use it more than 2 times. I've been using this 19 millimeter, and you can see the color here is already gone as well. So that means that this has just been spray painted or something like that, whatever. But like I said, yeah, would I suggest you buy these? If you like it, just because of colors, yeah, go ahead. I mean, the quality wise, they're same as the regular Pittsburgh Pro sockets. You're just paying a little bit extra, I think, is for a color. That's about it. Difference, there's no difference. They're just spray painted. Is it worth the money though? For $10.99, I think. Well, yeah, yes and no. I do have a rigid, and I noticed one thing that I don't like about these is once you have it on, it you have to pull it really hard to take it off if you put it on. So I think it's either the thing inside is not made well, whatever. But yeah, that's the problem I've been having. But other than that, they're decent. They're not that bad. The quality wise, they're okay. So yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys. Should you buy it or should you not? That's up to you. If you like a color, you would buy it. If not, then stick with the regular ones. So yeah, that's pretty much what it is, guys. If you have a inside club, you can buy them cheaper as well, because I think they have coupons for these as well, so you can buy them cheaper. These are 1/4 inch drives, same thing. It's a 6-point though, this is not 12-point. These as well are 6-point. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you guys learned something new. Like I said, paint is, you can even scratch it by finger. Hopefully you guys like it. Share, make sure you share it, of course. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, and of course stay safe. I'll see you guys next time. Laters.